What's the purpose in your teaching? Purpose consists of motivating aims in your life. The reason that we get up to teach every day. Our purpose can guide life decisions, it can influence behavior, shape goals, and offer a sense of direction and create meaning. And I mean, not only for ourselves, but also for our students. So, what's one way to motivate your students? Well, I'm Glory St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory, and today I want to share one plan for teaching success to motivate your students. Are you ready? It's called the Clipped Corner Theory Challenge, created by Ultimate Music Theory's Shelagh McKibbon-U'Ren. Now, this challenge is not only successful in motivating your students, but it's also a huge time saver for you as a teacher. So when you mark a theory page in your students' Ultimate Music Theory workbook, and the page is finished and it's 100% correct, what do you do? Do you put a sticker on the page? Do you do a little check mark or nothing at all? So here's the ultimate solution. When a student has completed both sides of a theory page, you simply clip the outside corner of the page, just right here. Just clip the little page. Now, the page numbers are in the middle. So you're not going to clip off any page numbers because they're always written in the middle. And with the clipped corners, your students feel successful in visually seeing that the completed page is, and make sure that both sides are corrected, right? And it also makes it easy for you as a teacher because you simply open up the book and you just flip to the first unclipped corner, right? So for all of these pages here, I usually don't clip the cover, but I clip all the pages, including page 1, and you snip them all on the corner. So you simply open the book to the first unclipped corner, and boom, you're ready to start with your next lesson. Pretty simple, right? So that brings us to the, hey, Tito. So that brings us to sort of this time-saving device for us as teachers. So now here's how the clipped corner theory challenge works. So step 1, we've got our clipped corner theory challenge. She's so cute. This is actually a picture that Shelagh McKibbon-U'Ren sent me from her studio. And I just love all the creative things that she does. And I love to share them with you. So here's how it works with step 1. So step one, create a container for each student to save all their clipped corners for the whole year. And you can keep containers in your studio. So you can use those large business size envelopes or Ziploc freezer bags, or you can even use a little box. Here's just my little box. I use the big envelopes and I put all my students' names on there. So whatever works for you. These little jars, I think Sheila said she got them from the dollar store and they're awesome. So it's really a great visual tool because students now have this visual reminder of the theory pages that they have successfully completed. And it's actually a win-win. So now step 2. So in step 2, hopefully I'm getting this right here. There we go. So in step 2, assign a challenge. So Sola and Tito, our little characters, Sola and Tito, they're an integral part of the UMT program, and you can use them to motivate your students in both the theory and the practical lessons. So assign the pages to be completed and then challenge them to complete a few more. You can see here that she's got her clipped corner challenge. She was assigned 4 pages and the challenge was, could she do 2 more? So I wonder what the results were. So here we go to step number 3. Okay, so step number 3, of course I'm trying to see. There we go. So step number 3, this is the great part. Celebrate the clipped corners. When a student meets or exceeds their clipped corner challenge, celebrate their success with a photo. Now, it's easy to use your Ultimate Music Theory whiteboard. You can keep track of their progress. The other side of the whiteboard is blank. As you can see, Sheila's flipped it to the back. And it only takes a minute to snap a picture and email it or text it to their parent or guardian. And the student feels appreciated for the work that they've completed and are often motivated to do even more next week. And of course, that's our job as educators, right? We really want to motivate our students. So you might say, well, Glory, that sounds great. And I like Sheila's idea too. It saves me a lot of time. I just open the book to the unclipped page, and I know that's where I start. My students see that their clipped corners are growing and getting bigger, but what happens to all those clipped corners? Sheila has an end of the year wrap up party, and everybody loves the party. And each student counts their clipped corners and trades them in for their favorite treat at a local ice cream parlor. Now, I'm sure you'll come up with lots of ideas on your own, and whatever your clip corner challenge reward might be, I want to help you define your purpose with a professional development plan for teaching success. You know, one of the things that I'm always excited about is sharing ideas with fellow educators. And to dive deeper into these concepts and more, you can simply go to teachmusictheory.com. I've got some great teaching tips for you. And I want you to join me on my upcoming free masterclass. So go to teachmusictheory.com and I'll see you there. If you like this video, be sure to comment, like, share, and join our Ultimate Music Theory Facebook group. You'll meet many other fellow community members that are educators and musicians, and also subscribe to our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel for professional development in your teaching success. And remember, we bring out new videos every week. So till next time, where's my little coffee cup here? So till next time, as teachers, we always have to have our mug. Teach with passion, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me.